Hello guys, so today let's see how to make a soldering stand using some trash items that you can find at home. So initially you need a brush, a cleaner, some clips, some sand. Let's cut it. Now let's paste this brush, put a hole, close the lid, add some sand. Now let's close the lid and glue it. Now let's take the tongue cleaner, let's glue the clips. Now let's glue the whole thing to the stand that we had created. So for the full video, click on the link in the description. Thank you.